In today's tech video, we've got a quick and handy guide on how to change the language on your Roku device. So let's dive right in. Step 1. Accessing the menu. First things first, grab your remote control and press the menu button. This will take you to the main menu where you can make the changes. Step 2. Navigating to language settings. Now let's navigate to the settings option. This might be under General, System, or Preferences, depending on your TV model. Step 3. Selecting language. Now look for Language or Language Settings. Once you find it, select it, and it'll reveal the available languages. Step 4. Confirming language change. After selecting your preferred language, your TV might ask you to confirm the change. Confirm it, and then you're good to go. And there you have it, folks. Changing the language on your TV is that simple. If you found this video helpful, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I make tech videos all the time, and I'd love to have you back in the next one. Take care.